hope you're having a great day. Today's video is a little bit different as it's not makeup related, although it's still a beauty related video because I'm gonna be checking out this Mini Manimu Gel No More Gel Polish Remover thing. I don't even know how to call it. Basically, you guys keep commenting that you like my nails in the videos and you've been asking if I do that myself, and yes I do. I do my own gel nails at home. These already overgrown, like I need to, remove a gel polish and do a new manicure. So I thought I'm gonna do at the same time a review for this gel remover. What I liked about it, that is cruelty free and vegan, which is amazing. It's called Mini Manimu, it has a little cow on the logo, and it says that it's fast and damage free gel polish remover, which just sounds a little bit too good to be true. Okay, so what they say on their website is Gel No More Gel and Dip Remover. It removes one-step gel in 2-3 minutes or 3-step gel in 5-6 minutes without having to soak in acetone or damage your nails. I have 3-step gel, so I would leave for 5-6 minutes. We're gonna see if it works. Also works to remove glitter nail polish in 60-90 seconds. Product is safe with compliant ingredients that follow cosmetic regulations worldwide. Does not contain caustic soda and is definitely not industrial paint thinner or sugar. Buff really well the top layer of the gel dip acrylic. Apply one thick coat of Gel No More. Wait 30 seconds, then reapply a second coat. If you are removing one-step gel, wait 2-3 minutes and push the color with the gel pusher tool. Cold sensation is normal. Finish buffing the nail. If you have multiple gel layers or 3-step gel mani, you need to repeat the process. Okay, so it looks like pretty easy to use. You know when you get these little ads when you scroll through Instagram or Facebook? So this is how I noticed this, and I was like, a bit dodgy maybe, who knows, but then it looked like it gives amazing result because basically you apply and it should kind of bubble off the gel polish, but then who knows. To be honest, I never trained to be a nail technician. I just learned as I learned everything else. So I do nails for myself, sometimes for my friends. All hygiene regulations, I know about those. Don't worry about that. So I have the electric gel, which I don't really like to use. It's just not my thing, so I better, buff it off and then use the acetone and then buff again. But that takes a lot of time, like the acetone holding, and it's not really good for your nails and skin around. So this should be more like a safer option and healthier option for your nails and skin. So think without any further ado, let's see what we got.
So this is how my nails looks just now. As you see, it's overgrown. I really need the mani. I do my manicure by the way every 2 weeks because my nails just grows so fast, you guys. This is ridiculous. So they say before using this Mini Manimu No More Gel to buff the nail first. So this is what I'm gonna do. Just gonna use that nail buffer. I'm gonna buff the top layer, the shiny part.
Alright, so I buff my nails off the first layer, as you see the difference. So now we should apply the first layer of this Mini Manimu. Wait 30 seconds and apply the second layer, and then wait 5-6 minutes. So let's just do this. I'm gonna go with the first layer first.
Oh, it's very like gluey. Like a gel. And it says that cold sensation is normal. Yeah, it's very gel-like. It's not like, nail polish. See, it's like a bits in there. Oh, wow. This part is already lifting in here. Look at that, guys. That works quick. And I just went to the first layer. Okay, let's wait 30 seconds and we can go with the second layer. So far, it looks like it actually works, you guys. Because you see how it started bubbling here. See this part? It's actually bubbling. Okay, 30 seconds now. Let's do the second layer. And then leave for 5 minutes. Honestly, it does have this cool sensation. Be warned about it that it's normal, but it feels like ice pack on my nails. Okay, I'm gonna leave this now for 5-6 minutes, and then I'll come back to use. Well, straight away, at least this nail already bubbling here. Look at that. Oh, this is better than. Oh, look, this part already lifting up. What? You can even see better like this, like literally. This part in here is lifting up. Oh wow, you guys, I think this is probably gonna work. I can see already on this finger.
You guys, 5 minutes are gone and my nails, it's like nail polish is bubbling. Look, you gotta see this. See what's happening? All of this is bubbling. This is bizarre. Like literally this is crazy. So what they say in the next step to do is to push the nail polish with a little tool like this. In the video that they have, they use this kind of tool to push the nail polish, so this is what we're gonna do. And then they say to buff it up a bit and if needed to repeat the process. So let's just do this.
Feels so weird, guys, that sensation on the nails. Okay, let's try and push this. Oh, we might not need to repeat the process if it's going like this. Wow. Okay, I wasn't expecting this. Okay, the rest will need a bit more buffing and one more layer, but hey, this just jumped off. You've seen this by yourself, guys. Wow. Okay. This looks like we need a bit more work, but we're gonna get there. Buff again and repeat the process. Because I have 3-step layer gel and they state that it will need more work, but hey, it definitely works. Okay, let's repeat the process as we state. I haven't noticed that the camera wasn't on, so what I did, I buffed the nails again and then applied 2 layers of this mini no gel, as they say, just to repeat the process again till the nails are clean. So I'm gonna wait another 5 minutes and we're gonna see if it's gonna work in 2 times or no. Alright, I literally hold this gel now for 1 minute and it all started peeling off, so hopefully this is the last layer.
So I just finished buffing the nails and look at that. My nails are like perfectly clean. And this was really quick. I mean, you buff the nails, you hold the gel for 5 minutes, buff again, hold the gel for 5 minutes, and then buff again. This was way much faster, to be honest, for me than the acetone, because I would buff way much more my nail than that for acetone to clean it off. But yeah, I am like super excited, you guys. My nails are perfectly clean, and that was quick, and it doesn't stink. It does have a smell, obviously, some kind of, but it doesn't stink like the acetone would stink, and it doesn't damage your nails or, you know, your cuticles, which is absolutely amazing, I think. Okay, so my verdict about it, it definitely works. It was way much faster. I wasn't expecting that. I was really skeptical, especially buying anything that comes as an ad on your Facebook or Instagram while it's growing. You know what I mean? Sometimes it can be like dodgy, but hey, this mini Manicure gel no more worked, surprisingly. So I really hope you guys find this video helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Leave a comment down below, let me know if you would like to see more videos like this, or maybe a gel manicure, some kind of. Don't know. Let me know in the comments down below, and if you try this and you like it or hate it, and I shall see you soon in my next video. So thank you so much for watching, and bye. Have an amazing day, you guys.